In my last video, I finally launched the app that I've been working on for feels like forever, and now that it's out there, you know, the deal, bugs, issues, and a bunch of features I thought of after the release. I've got a lot to show you in this video. I'm so excited about this update, so no more wasting time and let's dive in. Welcome back everyone. For those wondering what I'm talking about here, and in case the title didn't give it away, it's an app that allows you to control multiple 3D printers from one place.
Wow, it is so important to say the same thing to everyone. You know, you are so boring, man.
No problems. Yeah, I hear you, brother. But you gotta set the stage for the newcomers, am I right?
Hey, stop talking like that.
I know how to make you nervous, so please shut up. Now let's turn back to what we're talking about. Here's how it works. You add your 3D printers and each one gets its own card. You can control them individually or group them together and control them all at once. If you want to know more, check out the other videos in this series. So that's basically how the app works, but after sharing it with you guys and some friends, the feedback started rolling in. I just want to give a big thanks to everyone who pointed out bugs, shared issues, or tossed in feature ideas. Seriously, I appreciate it. Okay, now the old version had some issues, like it was getting a little sluggish when handling too many printers.
Can't do that anymore.
Thanks to my friend here for pushing it to its limits. And there are also some bugs playing hide and seek in the code, and they are not cute. Anyway, I sorted out some parts of the app's code. So for the whole unresponsiveness thing, especially when dealing with too many printers, I built a custom fetching API to handle that. So in theory, the app can manage as many printers as you throw at it. Or at least this is what the theory says. And now let's move to the exciting part, the new features. First, I added a network scanner that automatically finds and adds all the printers on the local network. It is way better than how I used to do it. I was using something called Angry IP Scanner, scans the whole network, and then I had to manually pick out the printers. It was
Excuse me, what's the difference between this tool and the RP scanner?
You serious?
I literally just said it. This one automatically finds the printers and adds them.
Well, thank you.
Next, I added a delete all printers button. It is useful if you want to clear everything out and start fresh. For groups, I'm introducing this absolutely revolutionary option. Select all printers when creating one. That's right. No more selecting them one by one if you don't want to.
Wow, you act like you just invented fire. This should have been there from the start.
Yeah, you're right this time. And now to my personal favorite, sending console commands to multiple printers at once.
A question, please?
No, we were going to the test right now. Maybe you will find the answer to your questions in the test. First, let's scan the network, but you've already seen that, so pass. And since you've already seen that on Windows, here's the same thing happening on Linux. Okay, I have these two printers here. I'll add them to a group, and then I'll be able to send them the same command at the same time. And now, instead of using home all button this time, I'll be doing the exact same thing by using G-code. And yeah, G-code is G28, and it's already here. Yeah. Now send it and it will do the exact same thing. Yep. Now it's working perfect. All right, let's take it a step further and use the upload and print feature. This one's actually one of my favorites. And as you can see here, it's working, no problems. Finally, with all the optimizations I did, now the app is more efficient than before. You can see how little CPU and RAM it uses even when handling those printers. And yeah, that's a wrap.
Hey, wait a sec. I found something here.
Excuse me?
You said you're not gonna make it paid, and now you are adding this thing here. Oh, this isn't fair. I'm shocked. I'm shocked.
What's this all about? What's your problem?
This thing here.
Why? Is it mandatory, or does it affect you in any way or block anything?
No, I can just use it normally.
So what is your problem?
I don't know, but this isn't fair.
No, I'm starting to understand, really. Like, okay, look, this thing takes time. If you want to support it, thank you. If you don't want to support it, thank you. Still, thank you. What you can use the app. Really, what is your problem?
It has something to do with the basics of authenticity and the effectiveness of beautiful, right?
You know, just go. And yeah, you've got a Mac. You can't even use this thing. Why are you here?
I'm here to stand by the right.
Alright, that's it for this one. The download links are in the video description, and I hope these updates make the app more useful, and I'll keep working on it to make it even better. And by the way, this channel isn't just about 3D printing. I've got tons of projects, interesting videos and topics coming up, so don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss this. And until next time, peace out.
Yeah, peace out.